What's up, YouTube? Fun YouTube 23 here. So today I'm be showing you how to hack Subway server. As you can see, I was just playing with it, and so as I was saying, sorry about that. I was doing something. So as you can see, I have 0 and there's have to be coins. Like right now, I don't install it. Great. As you can, sorry if you couldn't hear me, but as you can see, they're low price. So this is what you want to do. As you can see, if I can do that, just want to click that. Yes. So first, you want to download, delete this. I'm gonna delete it because it's already done. So I'll be back once I download the original Subway Surfer. Okay, it's downloading. So this is what you want to do. And for this, you're gonna need Lucky Patcher. And with Lucky Patcher, you could do some patches. As you can see, it's right here. So I'm just gonna go back to the beginning so I can show you once this is done. As you can see, it's nowhere to be found because it was gonna be up here somewhere. The reason why it's nowhere to be found is because it hasn't been downloaded yet. So you need it downloaded before you start. So gotta go check on it because I don't know. It's taking forever. Okay, it's installing. That's a good sign. Now you don't have to do tutorial. Now that it's installed, this is what you want to do. You want to go to Lucky Patcher, go to Subway Surfers, and you want to click the third one. Click that. Click the third one again, and click that. And rebuild out of something. I already done it. So what you want to do is go to Lucky Patcher, modified, and it's going to show it right here. If it's orange, then that's good. So I'm going to uninstall and install. Just gotta wait until it's done. Okay, it's installed, and now just wait until it's done, and I'll be back until it's done. Okay, guys, I think it's almost done. So just wait. Okay, it's done. So what you want to do is click open. Then it's gonna see Subway Surfers Rio. Now we just have to wait for this thing to go all the way up and then check. So the 2 times multiplayer doubles your multi temporary. I don't know how to pronounce it, but yeah, and I don't care. So flag, cool flag. Load. Alright, I'm gonna do the tutorial. Alright, so let's do the tutorial. It's a little bit laggy, and that's okay. I don't know if it is. And so after a double tap, you just want to end your ride. If it says you rock, now go. Just end yourself. Just face into the wall. Or train. And he takes me to jail. I don't care about my foot. So after that, you click the X, you can click home. And I don't know if I showed you, it was like, you see how they're low prices? This was $99.99. But check this out. Boom. And look, just look at my coins. Well, when that happens, you wanna click this. And then boom, 115. And just keep looking at my coins. Boom, and then you get a lot. And if you want, you could just click this. And yeah. So, I really did hope y'all guys did enjoy this video. And if y'all did, please do leave a big thumbs up if y'all did enjoy and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And I might do some more Minecraft or some zombie, like I think you guys heard of Zombie Assault 4, SAS4. So yeah, I will do some of that and some other games and stuff. So please do subscribe to my channel and comment down below if it worked or not. So see you guys in the next video. Peace out.